39678 Road 425B, Oakhurst Mobile Home Estates, space number 35, currently offered. 2-bedroom, 2-bath. Large great room. Newer dual pane windows installed. Formal dining area off the kitchen. Has a pantry. Stainless steel refrigerator. Gas cooktop. Newer oven. Dishwasher. Stainless steel. Sink. Granite countertops. Washer and dryer combo. Back door, which has handicap accessible ramp. Bonus area. Desk, reading area. Screened side patio. Fenced all the way around. Dogs are allowed. New baseboards. This is 1 bedroom with 2 closets. All the windows have awnings. This is the bedroom bathroom right across, with a linen closet, walk-in shower, nice big countertop. Come down the hall to the bedroom with an ensuite. This has built-in wardrobe, a big closet. This is a tub shower combo with a linen closet. Again, all the windows, newer dual pane windows with the awnings. So again, this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath mobile home in Oakhurst Mobile Home Estates. Bonus area, side slider to the screened patio, formal dining area, kitchen, granite countertops. You have your laundry closet, nice big great room. Closet here as well, plenty of storage. Here's the back patio. You can see it has a shed. The shed is covered by the awning. There's a patio out back. This handicap accessible ramp. You can see the new windows.